Hello, Jason Tori kan lo lom le chawa.
We're opening glasses that are approved for eclipse viewing.
Eclipse viewing, right?
Mm-hmm.
What happened tomorrow?
The sun and the moon will meet in the sky.
Like this, right? Like the picture.
Yeah.
Hey, down here. Joining in nang kanin kan mit lang en ka mit. We can be blind, you say, right?
Yeah, I can hear you. Right.
So wangin. Hey, kampun do na. That's so. Oh.
Yeah.
Look at that. Oh, how many? Four. So we can spare two. But okay, solar safe, right? Made in US. How much we pay?
I don't remember. It's like 15 maybe.
India paisa sang khat vel ni chu. I think it's around 1,000 rupees or 900 rupees. Kan ti come on yok lem kan ti kha alem te ti. Ni ok ni ber chu ni in tha ok do ni chu. Cái là thiểm vắc lâu. It's crazy, ah. Ni tha. This is tha. This is ni, okay? Kumkal ta kha chuanin. Hey, in law amoy vak law ni chu tu kum chu moy don to chu wang kan ha thona po mi tam takin off day and la mi en tur ngot hian state tin han en thei vek lawa kan state dang not every state, right?
No. So
Our state and
yeah, this blue band right here is the people that get to see the perfect version.
Oh, helaya a blue band kal chho zong hi state tin am hu thei ve chin house state khanita he San Antonio, where is that? Is it Texas?
Texas, yeah.
Texas in am hu thei nga chuanin nai ke ni kan om na helai hi ni ta kam hu nai thei don ko
Indianapolis, we're right in the center.
chiang don
Sullivan is going to be between 90 and 100%.
oh kanu te om na vel hi lai vel ni wang ha am hu tan ha chiang bak lo la em hum ya lawa chu wang ke excite ve me ma se ki chu off don chon lo ka na kal ma cha ni do na kong te busy don lo to ka chu wang na po dar kar cham ve ma rong kal vek turun te chol chong kan tlai ang an tia mo company pon traffic jam na se don torun en turungot te han state dang atang han rong kal don ni chu alai ta ka kan om wang han how many hours? Like, is it
How long
hours?
will it last?
Oh, kan ente hun chu.
The perfect, it'll only last like 4 minutes.
Minute level chang ni chu. Nak tu April hey kam vlog hi Sunday tlai nia. Nak tu tlai 3 darting bell, right? 3 p.m.
Yeah, it'll be around 3 p.m.
Kan nakal ma daw chen ka hi po kan nakal nai nai veo mai la kal ma ngai traffic eng mani pala. Tlai thei tla ta mo. Hey mania ka later hey ka du ro lu to ka mai ti deuh ser zel mo mai te ti mara ka du lu to ka chuan hey fridge ka later ai ngi ka dalom pokal shela ka no lut vel mai china makeup fridge hey eyebrow ka extra ka nga sia ti han da than man benefit ka mang na sa ni chu mascara Lancome ti vel mo ka da thave ka ni chu he da hen ka bazar to ma se karon tilang man lawa tlem hey video ron da pa in karon tilang zoi Eclipse en pa in hey lip gloss sang te tiang vel hey ka va le to ta han hey to ni chu ka tilang vek don lawa pakhat ka du em ka le pakhat karon tilang zoi hey ka du em ma nal ka tel to ka rim tui em ai ma in Amain ka ni china dum plain he pink kilo manal emima perfume ka lei thar le ani oi he antam siam tur kan nga tol to oh look at that hemi kharin eclipse tak kha kan hu ve thei don ni chu lo chang camera khan eng vak ringota kan han chhuak photangi an en don ni tu na hian chin dona bona kan chwa don wangan it's weird doesn't go
Yeah, and you can't see anything.
No, because of I can't see now myself.
Yeah, you can't see anything through the lens. Only the sun.
Really?
Yeah.
What am I gonna do? Bun lau chuanin han alang thei lawa hei ka en ngam lawas eng lu to khi ma se kan bun chinang landan nal to to pa kanin nung lampang niya. Wow, I see it. It's like almost near. Hey, at the chin very nito a full trip don. Wow, it's so beautiful. That's crazy. Verose.
Oh, yeah.
You see it? Hey, mi po enturin po nan swak chan
You want a chair?
po.
You want to sit or you want to stand?
On stand.
Okay. You sure you don't want a chair?
Yeah.
Alright, I'll leave it then.
Are you gonna record with that one?
Yeah.
That's the one. Hey, a camera pa kada jang kwanin. Ay, a lens kan sunglass ka. kan enge Eclipse glass ka kat siya jonin lai hena bela ka bang hanin alan dan dik tak ka kan thei don ni mo. Hey, alan dan chu. Wow, it's so small. Are you gonna zoom a little bit? Let's see if you can zoom. Wow, look at that. Ani chef to minute claim cham to hin hakal dong ka in siam sa ni hi kay po. Moi le me achan chu when was the last time? 2017, right?
I think so, yeah.
Oh, 2017 kum sarivel nge kum ruk kalta khanin hemi eclipse top na berang ani chu helaya chuanin thang lai vel chuan Oregon ate North Carolina te anita ma se tun tum sei ke mani veng ya mani in rang kan mu theya an ngai lut ta phei mi po clear torin mo mani veranda an thutia de ni chei thenom te so lama po so chen kha chuan off ten la mu to shim khanin an ngai special ni chumo hemi tel lawa landan hi eng lut to khi a moi phalo ni hey kan en le china moi he moi he nang tuma ka mu thei la I can't see anymore now. I'm like this. Did I wear my flip-flop right? Hey, nakakal to na kay wifi zo cha. It's ay eng to ka living. It's danger, right, to see the sun.
Yeah, yeah. So the lenses will shield out all the sun rays and block everything out except for the red sun.
Nearly like this much, or like wow. Cool. Nia kan en hetia dart lang kati han en may chuanin en lawa anga afai ing pup ngota ma se glass bun che han moi em mai mo. I'm happy that we bought a glass though.
Yeah. So it's starting.
It's starting?
On the phone, you can see now
Let's
that
see.
it's partially covered. You can see.
iPhone na chang chon. Okay.
Couple more minutes.
Hey, kan pa lal zawa. Asaming color sa ki hey chen lai hi duma chen lai hi oi ni sa thak to. Tun lai chu dark circle ka ngal to hey.
3 minutes. It should get a little.
Hey, kwa po chun pa chang a chuanin ani tu pani chu camera kha kati bright ta wang mai khan alang eng pu tang khan alang mo ni bak lo kha chu he adwai ni chu he tang he enula claim ka han ti eng le chuan he ni ta ma se kha alan dan tak tak ni lawa camera set kha eng wang mai mi ti vel hi alan dan dik tak chu. Because of my camera setting, it looks like it's so bright, but honestly, it's not really bright except there.
Yeah, and I think once it gets to the total eclipse, it'll get a little darker out.
Yeah. committed vital tuang hian Quaron team char to. Ui, a team vek. Oh my god, it's all darker now. Where is the moon? I can't see.
Now look at without your glasses.
Why people screaming?
You see without your glasses?
I can't see.
It's right here, without your glasses. Take your glasses off. You see it?
Oh my god, it's so beautiful.
But don't look direct.
Masay glass camera in, but in the camera it looks weird.
Yeah.
We team vek kwa zong zong hi. Hey, kwa hi team vek to. Wow, it's so beautiful. I look though. You say I should not look.
You just don't look for a long time.
Wow, hey, team vek top 29 like that. Tum cha wani amo.
Isn't that crazy?
Yeah. It's a team vek to. Wow, that's crazy. It's gonna happen for just few minutes, right?
4 minutes.
But there's a star next to it. It's weird. You see the star?
Yeah.
Why is that?
It's normally you can't see them because the sun's too bright.
Team Vector.
How does it look in the phone?
It's beautiful. It looks the same. Katieng to china. Kwa team vec hey. Endo. Tuma mu thei to lo. Yeah, everything is dark.
Yeah, it's awesome.
I can't even see you.
You good?
It's beautiful. Look, come look.
See the other camera? Oh yeah, it's way better in person than you see it in the real.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Makve top me, pathian, thil, siam, ropui hi. It's so amazing how God creates things, huh?
Right? It's crazy that science can tell.
It's crazy that people don't believe in God. Doesn't make sense. No human can make that thing happen, right? Rồi eng tia là gì hè? Wow, this is crazy.
Back to daytime.
In love, enjoy can bring do you have fun? Tell them about your experience.
Oh yeah, it's a beautiful thing.
No, I'm going to top my first time. So
Oh yeah, we'll do it again.
maybe
someday.
our viewers want. Maybe we can ask them whether they ever seen. Yeah. In love with them, enge at pakate, kaya ko fay kamuna niya. First experience, awesome. Alo ninda kumda nga alo theng le yin chong ken liang, but we never know if it's gonna be here, right?
Yeah,
Next
you
year.
can look online. Yeah, probably not next year though.
Kumtin kanin kan enthena state ka danga mi chu an jing kwal thina, right? An jin thini chu hey ron kan state thonom te po an enve du bang shim shim kanin tanong cause our neighbor state they come, some of them
Yeah,
to
'cause
look
this
at
was the
Eclipse.
perfect place.
Okay, bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Oh, hey po nakakal todo na karon vlog khat siya mina ushe thiam mula. Kanim mule don next vlog. See you next time.
See you next time.